the gym and then bumped into my daughter who's grabbed me. And I'm now in Contini's in Edinburgh. I'm going to make a video on 5 ways to lose the frump, because obviously if you've been watching the video I did last week on the 5 ways to embrace the age, then that was the continuation. But I got grabbed to have a nice breakfast, so I'm not complaining. We'll eat this. When I get back I will do 5 ways to lose that frump. Bye! This has got to be the best place ever for breakfast, honestly, I just loved it. Thank you, chef! My daughter's running away fast. It's Contini's George Street in Edinburgh. Say hello, Robin.
Hi!
And she's caught me, I've not got a stitch of makeup on. I'm not looking the best, but never mind. That will soon be fixed. Bye! Too much choice. Yep, definitely. What do you think of these?
Nice.
Oh. Like, oh, these are right. These are high.
Yeah, you're really high.
I like them.
High as the sky.
Is that Dubai?
Yeah, that's Dubai. Dubai shoes, done.
So now we're in Primark for Dubai because it's much cheaper. I'm exhausted. Look at my hair. Going to get a shower and I'm going to chat to you soon. And welcome back to Total Evelyn. Had my shower. Feel much better now. Ended up buying some clothes for my holiday in Dubai, and my daughter Robin picked most of the things here. So today's video, guys, is all about fighting the frump. I want to make it really fast because I don't want to elaborate on fighting the frump. I think what happens with people, and I've done it myself, is we all make excuses, and we've done it for years. We've had kids, then we say, oh, I can't afford to buy anything for me because I'm buying for the kids. Oh, I don't want to buy anything because I don't look that great just now, so I'll wait until I lose weight and then I'll buy myself something. Rubbish. These are excuses, and you will not feel good if you keep making the same excuse over and over and over again. There's lots of shops out there. If you're on a budget, then you don't have to go crazy. Watch my video on my wardrobe, then I've always said buy a few classics, have a few classics in your wardrobe, mix and match. So today I want to say fight back and stop making excuses. Change your attitude. Change your attitude. Stop it. And stop making the hurdles. You've got kids, yes. You buy lots of things for your kids, and you should be buying something for yourself as well. You do need to have that little night out as well. So the first one to fight the frump is always dress like you're going to meet someone that you will admire. Now, we've all said I'll just chuck this on because I'm not going anywhere. I'm actually only going over the road. I'll be fine. I'm not going to bump into anyone. Well, usually you get caught out, and that's usually the day that you bump into everyone and you feel horrible. You feel so dreadful. Have you been there before? For sure, I've chucked on an old baggy jumper, an old pair of jogging bottoms, a pair of flip-flops, and nothing's matching, and then I've bumped into everyone. Give yourself an extra 10 minutes. Chuck on a bright jumper. Don't put on the old baggy one. Tie my hair in a ponytail. You can do one of these things, one of these lazy things, but not all of them, because that's when you become frump, 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 frump. So no. 2, as I said, don't keep dressing in comfortable clothes. What is comfortable clothes? Are you comfortable with what you're wearing? I bet you're not. Okay, I'm just putting this on because I feel comfortable. Okay, so then you get to the place that you're going to and you see someone else looking nice and bright with a nice white t-shirt on, or a yellow t-shirt, and they're looking really fresh and colourful and smiley happy, because what you wear makes you feel nice inside and it makes you smile. So don't get to that one, I'm just dressing comfortable. Yeah, dress comfortable now and again, but don't continually dress comfortable. Fight that frump. Now, book a holiday. Give yourself something to look forward to. Give yourself that challenge towards that holiday, like what I've just done. And I bought quite a few outfits here. I bought a nice shirt, dress, which is really long. And I'm going to try it on later, I'll show you it on. These come in all different sizes. Easy, colourful, cheap. How much was it? £10. They'll feel special, because after all, you are special. You don't keep needing to buy the kids everything. That sounds selfish. My kids are grown up, but even when my kids were grown up, I always said I need to make myself feel quite happy and fresh. You can buy clothes for kids, you don't have to buy designer clothes, so you can hold back. Right, the kids will be saying, oh my goodness, Evelyn, why are you saying this? Hold back on the kids and get yourself something too, because there's no point you taking the kids out, them looking all nice and fresh and happy, and the big dreary mum comes along with the big long jumper away down here because she's hiding, she's all frumpy. No. Now, here's a bright thing. I thought this was really nice. A bright jacket. Oh my goodness, this, you must see this on. Now, that is fun, don't you think? Let's just put it on, see what it's like. Oh, nice. Now, I bought this because I want to wear, if I'm round the pool, then I'll put my bikini on and I'll put this on top. And it's very, very glitzy. Equally, you could wear that if you were going out. You could wear it with a pair of shorts to go out. You could wear it with anything, just to give yourself a bit of colour. And it comes in all different sizes. Again, no excuse. We're all different shapes and sizes. Next up, comfortable little dress. Very versatile actually. You could wear it through the day and then just go out for a little dinner. So that would be you ready. I like things like that. I love to go to the swimming pool, a bit sunbathe, take a little walk, put my dress on. I like to just have something in the bag that you can whip out, put that on, change your little shoes into a pair that's got a little heel, like a flip-flop that's got a little wedgie heel. Put that on and that's you out for the night. Same with the jacket. Remember, all this is out of Primark. This makes me feel really good. So I am fighting the front with this. I would imagine, if I hadn't seen this, I would have thought this would have been a Harvey Nicks. And it's £20. I love it. And you know, can you imagine what I'm going to be like in the sun? When the sun is shining on that, that's going to be like, even at night time as well, it's going to be all glittery. Selection of things that I bought. It's just an all-in-one. Trousers. Point 4 is stop saying, I can't spend money on myself. I've just showed you £13 for these. You can spend £13. £20. You can spend £20. So stop it. It's an excuse. I'm not being forceful, honest. I'm just saying, if you want to fight the frump, then I'll help you to fight the frump. And if you don't, then you know it's up to you. But I think secretly you do. I think you make these excuses. Shorts that I got to go with the jacket, £10 each, £20 for the whole outfit. So all you need to do is get a pair of high sandals and a little vest, do your hair and your makeup. Or from the pool, you could, because it's so thin, you could put that in a bag, put that on when it's starting to get cooler, and then have an easier time than rushing to go home and get your hair done, get your makeup done. You know, you don't have to do that all the time. I don't think anyway. Especially if it's a family holiday. That's what I used to do when my kids were young. I used to just take something in my bag, to go out for the whole day, put some things in a bag, go to the toilet, slip on something, and then that was you out till about 8, 9 o'clock. Bought that specifically because I want to be going shopping when I'm in Dubai, of course. And that will allow me to be respectful in the shopping malls. So yeah, you don't need to buy everything from Primark. I've just went crazy as usual. When I go into one shop and I see a bargain, then I start buying and picking up everything. I'm sure you do the same. Keep saying, guys, I'm going bright. Go bright. Here. You're not just a pretty face. Remember that. Buy yourself. Don't keep denying yourself. But one life. So go for it. And don't lock yourself up in boring colours. Go for brights. You don't need to be black all the time, browns all the time. It's getting into spring now, so go bright. You go yellows, or purples, pink shorts out of Primark. The bikinis are really cheap as well. You need to buy yourself a nice cheap hat out of Primark. Do you like? Now, how could that not make you feel good? That would make you feel that you're fighting the frump. This is beautiful, I love it. So fight the frump, guys. That brings me to number 5. Stop beating yourself up. You can look fabulous. Everyone, no matter what size, shape, whatever, as I said in my video that I did last week on embracing your age, was look after yourself inside, and then that should bring out the best in you. And also, if you've got a better positive mind inside, head up with exciting, beautiful things, future things, put things in the diary. I'm going to set you a challenge, guys. Throw that big jumper off. Start to look after number 1. You need to look after you, because if you can't look after you, you can't look after your children, you can't look after everybody else around you. And the other thing as well is, if you are being really frumpy, I bet you're being really frumpy with your partner as well, which means, I'm sure, I'm not being derogatory here, but I'm sure we all get very lazy and say to ourselves, I'm not going to bother getting changed, it's only him. I mean, he's used to me anyway. When he comes in then, well, what's the problem with me wearing that big stupid jumper, or big joggers that they say, right, okay, I'll just wear these jogging bottoms and it's only my partner. He'll not care, he accepts me for what I am. Dress for you, and that will shine through honestly, and he will appreciate. So you respect you, and you'll get all the respect in the world. I hope that was valuable to you, and if you've not subscribed already, or if this is your first time on my video, then welcome, and nice to meet you. And please comment, give me your comments, let me know how you're doing, and buy yourself something nice, and I will speak to you soon. Hope you like that. Bye.